Now we see the error message, but there is one more issue. If you go back to the application while it's running, let's add a debugger here in the model state and hit the create button again. You can see that the control is going to the onPost handler. It finds the model state is invalid and it returns back with the error. We want this to be done on the client side. In order to do that, if we switch back, we go to create. Right here inside Solution Explorer, we have the validation scripts partial. All we have to do is we need their reference. So right here, we'll do add section. This will be scripts. And right here, we will use partial tag helper name. We will paste the name. This name will be exactly same as validation scripts partial. Make sure there is no spelling mistake. We'll save this. Let's go back to the home page. Let me do Control F5 for hard refresh. Let's try to create again. And let's make it empty. Hit the create button. You see the error message pops up. It doesn't go back. And to confirm, if we go back, we still have our debugger. So this means the validation here is done on the client side without posting back. So that way we have both the validation server side as well as client side. So this was one way I wanted to show you that the validation should be done both client side as well as server side. Now the create is completed. In the next video, let's start working on the edit functionality.